Namaste to all. This short audio is to clarify that the everyday Agnihotra or Homa, what we are doing, is not meant for worshipping the fire in the Homakunda. Fire is a non-alive matter, Jada Tattva. We cannot worship fire. Also, some people say that Suryaya Swaha. So, Agnihotra, we are worshipping the sun god. It is not that we are worshipping the sun god. Sun is also made out of fire only. Sun is made of fire and air and other substances. All are non-alive. So sun is a non-alive matter in the sky. Sun is created by Almighty God. Yajurveda mantra says Surya Atma Jagatas Tastusascha. Almighty God is the Atma. Almighty God is the one who creates the Surya, that gives the light to the sun. So we have to worship the Almighty God. Also, one more name of Almighty God is Surya, but that does not mean that the sun in the sky is Almighty God. Surya in Sanskrit also means omnipresent Almighty God. So the Agnihotra is basically worship of Almighty God. What is meant by worship? We have to understand Sanskrit. Basically, the meaning of puja in Sanskrit is showing respect. So following the instructions or showing the respect by following the preach of Almighty God is called as worship. So Almighty God in the Vedas say clearly that you have to do everyday Agnihotra. There are so many mantras which says about how to light the fire. Asmin Havya Juhotana Gritam Tivram Juhotana. Do everyday Homa by putting ghee, by putting offering samagri, offering samida in the burning fire. Dosha Vastah Dive Dive Namo Barantayi Masi. We should do Namaskar to Almighty God by doing everyday Agnihotra twice, morning and evening, apart from name jap and other Gayatri mantra jap, etc. Agnihotra is most important worship of Almighty God. This is instruction of Almighty God in the Vedas. Since we are following the instructions of Almighty God, it is called as worship. But people have been thinking that it is worshipping the fire. No, it is not worshipping the fire. Fire cannot be worshipped. No fire worship, water worship, earth worship. Some people worship trees, some people worship stones, some people worship earth. All these things are prohibited. We have to worship the creator and not the creation. I hope you got some clarity here, because some people have been thinking that we are worshipping the fire in the Agnihotra. No, this is absolutely wrong. And also, Yajurveda mantra 2/23 very clearly says, Almighty God say that if you leave the worship of Almighty God, that means if you leave the yajna, if you do not do yajna, then Almighty God says, I also leave those people who are not doing yajna to give them sorrows. And also in the same mantra, there is another deep meaning saying that the matter used without doing yajna are used by the culprits. So those articles, those matters, for example, we drink water, we eat food, we wear clothes, we use our car and other properties, we use everything that is given by Almighty God, but we are using it without giving thanks, without worshipping Almighty God. Those articles, those matters, those things will give us sorrow. So this has been also written by Chanakya Rishi in his Chanakya Niti, that a house wherein Agnihotra is not performed and the wall of the house is not blackened by the Agnihotra smoke, that house is a Shamshan Ghat, that house is a burial ground. This is the kind of strong statement used by Chanakya Rishi in Chanakya Niti. Today the world is devoid of Agnihotra. Most of the people do not do Vedic Agnihotra. So we have so many issues in the world. We are all aware of it. There are many challenges. People are having poverty, hunger, various kind of pandemic diseases have been spreading. All these are result of we people leaving the Almighty God. So we have left Almighty God and Almighty God has left us. But this audio I had put just to tell that we are not worshipping the fire in the Agnihotra. We are worshipping the Almighty God by following His instructions in the Vedas. I hope this clarifies. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.